What's up? It's Cameron.
Hey.
So we're out here right now. We're in the back of a thing. I don't know what this is called.
Virginia, say hi.
And we're just being real yee boys right now. Gracie, how does that make you feel?
Like I want to kill myself.
There you go. Okay, see you guys later. Hey guys, what's up? So we're back from the ride. Here's Haley. She's my friend. Yeah, I have friends. This is Max. She's a freshman, so we're not really friends. That's Molly. She's another freshman. They're just like, I don't know. They're my loyal followers, I guess. Look at this boy right here. Look at his. Is it a girl?
I think so. It's a girl.
Look at this girl right here. Look at her sweater. Hi. Okay, that's all. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, we're leaving the farm.
Your car charges it without turning it on?
I'm trying to vlog here. So anyway, we're leaving the farm. Saw dude. And I didn't get the best of the stuff. Yesterday, like, broke a diving board. No big deal. Insert clip here. And yeah, so now we're just like going back to our normal lives. So even though I was an expert yee redneck, wasn't I?
Yes, you were.
Thank you. All right, so see you guys later, I guess. Guys, I don't know if you've ever seen a Tesla before, but we just got passed by one. Okay guys, see you later. Okay guys, we're actually passing a Tesla right now. It's a real Tesla this time. See, that was a Tesla. Okay, thanks. Okay guys, we just dropped Gracie off at her car, but she's about to have to meet us back at the top because Dimmy has all of Gracie's Pokemon stuff in her car. And Gracie just really needs all of her Pokemon stuff because it's important. Thanks. This is for all you people with foot fetishes. You're welcome. I'm looking for her Pokemon. Oh, you got it.
Go hand that to her, please.
It was one card.
Yeah, it's the hologram card or whatever you call it.
Oh, yeah. You're welcome. Time to go home. It's been a good weekend. And my car smells good. And I also broke my phone, so there's a glare. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so I just got home, so I guess that's the end of the vlog. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm gonna show you my kitty. She's sitting outside. Her name's Lucy, and it's short for Lucifer. Lucy! Oh, hello! How do I change the view? I don't know. We'll just do it like this. Hi! Oh! Alright! Anyway, I guess that's the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching, and I'll post again sometime. Okay, thanks. Bye.